Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while and it's been a really crazy year for everybody. And so I just haven't really been buying any like luxury stuff to put on my channel. But recently I have bought some stuff at Tiffany and I wanted to show you guys because I just needed to buy something I have really been looking at for a long time, and I just decided I finally wanted to get it. But right before I get into that, if you guys like luxury unboxings and just designer stuff, I like to post whatever I buy on YouTube, just little unboxings like this. It's just really easy to put it out there. If somebody's looking at it, hopefully they will find one of my reviews and they, you know, might get some help or something like that. So today I went to Tiffany. This is their like medium-sized bag I got. I got two things today, and I actually got this necklace about 4 or 5 days ago. Why don't I just show you guys this necklace real quick. So this is I believe a 24-inch chain. It's obviously all sterling silver. And this is like a little pendant that you can get, and it just says Tiffany & Co, but the O is a diamond, so this is like technically the first diamond, like real diamond piece that I think I've bought. And I mean the diamond on this is so small that it's like, I don't know if you could really call it that, but it is what it is. This necklace was, I believe, like around $500, maybe like high 480-ish or something like that. And I just really like the length, and I like how like hello. I really like the length, and I like how just like how it works with all my clothes. I only wear silver jewelry, so this was just, I don't know, it's perfect. I really like how it looks. So yeah, that was the first thing. And then I'll show you guys what I got today. So the first thing I got was this. It is like the window actually, I'm just gonna slide this out. It is the Windows at Tiffany & Co. like coffee book. Damn, there's a lot of glare. I'm sorry about that. And then the sides just say Windows at Tiffany's. And this is basically just like a $30 book. It's really just like a nice thing to just have kind of like sitting on your table or something like that. I'm not gonna actually open this and show what's inside because you can see pictures of this online, and I am not ready to open this yet, but this was the first thing. It's just a little coffee table book, and I just can't get over how good that cover looks. So that was the first thing. And the other thing that I got was a T-ring, and I've been looking at the T-ring for a long time, just the standard T-ring, and I have never like went out and like was confident in getting it. I just wasn't sure. Like, I was just thinking about it for a really long time, and I finally decided to get it because I liked it on my pinky, actually. So let me just open this for you guys. Obviously, just white ribbon around a Tiffany blue box. And the standard Tiffany dust bag. And inside is my steamed, freshly fucking polished, fingerprint free T-ring. And then on the inside there's like, oh, this is gonna be really hard to show. On the inside and the back it says Tiffany & Co. This is a size 6. This is actually for my pinky, so I'm gonna put this on. So this is what it looks like. It is really, like, I'm really sorry the exposure on my camera is so bad, but like this like ring looks like incredibly silver. Like, it's shiny, like it just glistens. It's like really nice. Originally I was gonna get it on my pointer finger and I just didn't like it. Like, I wasn't feeling it that much, but the person that was helping me at Tiffany, we were trying on a ton of rings and we were talking about a lot of stuff, and she was telling me about like, and showing me like her rings, and I just decided to try it on my pinky and I loved it. Like, I was like, wow, like I really wish I you know, decided to try that sooner, but I really like how the pinky ring looks. And I'm going to be getting another ring on this finger soon. She actually showed me a ring that I had never seen before. It's like the double, I can't remember what it's called. It's like some double ring, but like it's like a silver ring with like this flap that goes back and forth, like a little metal like flap that jiggles around on top. And it looks really cool, and I like that one a lot on my pointer finger. So I'm gonna have both of those. So when I buy that ring, I'm gonna show you guys. But anyway, I'm sorry to go on such a ramble there, but the T-ring is a really classic ring that Tiffany has made for a long time. They have a ton of different styles of it, ones with diamonds and stuff. This is just the regular silver one. I don't really like a lot of the other styles of this ring, and also they're extremely expensive. This was $450. The sales associate that I was talking to got hers like 5 years ago, and it was $400, so it's gone up $50 in 5 years. A lot of Tiffany's prices have gone up. I know some people have noticed that, but it's like actually true that their prices do go up over time, just like most like luxury retailers like kind of slowly increase prices. But I think this is a really great ring if you just want to get into Tiffany, and you don't want to buy something like incredibly expensive, like $1,000. I mean, depending on your budget, but yeah. It's a great ring. It's super shiny. And she also gave me a free, this is like a cloth that all like silver jewelry will tarnish and get dirty. And so she gave me a cloth right here. And you just take the jewelry and you literally just put this on like a table and you just run it along and you will have like dirt and stuff come off. So yeah, she threw that in there for me. But yeah, that was all I got today. In total, it was a little over 500. I really hope you guys liked the video. I know it's been a while since I have posted. I'm sorry, I just haven't been buying anything. It's been a crazy year. But things are finally looking up. This, hopefully by, you know, October, everything will be back to normal, and you know, this whole year that we all went through together will be past us. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your morning, evening, wherever you are in the world, and yeah, see you guys later.